ndukere nyakundi warana kwa nitese TV nangevete Kenya ne umuchi wibisakwa nonye friend ya Osoro deputy president ngwaro chibwanchera ndirabono ngatigati ke chipati chinde chikabere chibajoin ekiagere gente kyota nganga Kenya ne umu Kenya keyo orocho bado chiro buto irorire pati ya magara libono goteba ng'abantu bamibori tigabatenena baro using PDP dena mbali uji waka ekura abatenga mbaka ekura kurodia we are saying tigaturi yenchera na into to position ye na tonyora epatie ya mosi chipati bere Osoro, what I'm saying, I agree with you. Nto bwate Ken Sing, to bwate Kenya Social Congress, to bwate PDP achiri. Chipati echi. Toko nyore yie kanoro. Gera tira tanga cho. Toko nyora ni bwate problem. Na toko ila Kenya Social Congress. Ya Mansono Yongo. Toje brandi. Kenya National Congress. Toje brandi. Ebe pati yeito. We are not saying a party must be this, must be this. Onye tori goja tobo. No. Na into we are telling our brothers bali waro DM. Aki. Tago turuaninga tuatebiri ngo set tole pati omusi. Tago turu, we are with you, we are your brothers. Give us congratulations. In fact, yakare pati etora ya launchi. Kate ninu mwale wocha, mutu wakare chinko motenga ya muatembire. Wanu tonyora ne ground, tuchuko kolegas. ODM into tuwata banta bange.